How to not get scammed in real estate. In real estate, one mistake can cost you millions. Number one, always verify the title. Check the TCT or CCT with the Register of Deeds. Make sure it's clean, no liens, no encumbrances, no legal drama. Number two, deal only with a legitimate broker, agent, or developer. Ask for the PRC license number or issued registration. No ID, no deal, period. Number three, visit the site. Don't rely on the just a photo or 3D renders. Go to the actual site. Walk around and ask neighbors. If it's a pre-selling, check out their past or previous development. Step number four, read the fine prints. Don't sign anything you don't understand. Review the contract with a lawyer if needed. Watch out the unclear turnover timeline, hidden charges. Step number five, don't pay in a full right away. Legit seller follow a process. Reservation, contract, payment schedule. If someone asks for a payment, accept, walk away. Real estate is one of the biggest purchases